We have addition of polynomials. What first we have to do? We have to take down the parentheses. We have trinomial in the first parenthesis because we have 3 terms. So let me copy 5x plus 2x squared minus 2. We have only 3x terms, so this is monomial. Plus 3x, and we have binomial because we have 2 terms in parentheses, so plus 3x squared minus 11. So this is equal. Next we have to combine the like terms. So the same variable with the same power. We start from the highest power, is 2. So we have 2x squared and 3x squared. Next will be variable x only. When we don't have power is invisible 1. So we have 5x and we have 3x, and the last is constant, -2 and -11. We start from the highest power. We have x squared and x squared, so we copy variable x squared, and next we have to add the coefficients before x squared, so we have 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3 is still 5. Next we have to go to variable x. We have 5x and 3x. So we copy x and we have positive and positive. So of course will be positive sign, and we have to just add 5 and 3 is 8. So 5x plus 3 is xx. 8x. And now the constant. We have -2 and -11. Both numbers are negative. So we keep the sign negative, and we have to just add 11 plus 2 is 13. This is my solution.